But Mr. Hardeep Puri, the question today is about the facts about whether or not you knew Epstein, the now infamous Epstein files that are out, millions of pages of emails, where some of your emails, references to your meetings have come up. The question many are asking is, why did you wait so long to come clean? Why did you not talk about it earlier?
I'm so happy you've asked this question, and I'm delighted the way you're fronting. Why did I wait so long to come in? When you say, why didn't you take so long to come clean, as if you have something to hide? First of all, there is one email. It's an exchange between me and Reid Hoffman. By the way, Reid Hoffman is the founder of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is apart from Reid Hoffman being totally respectable, LinkedIn, what am I saying in that email? I remember it offhand. I said, I met Reid, a Japanese company, I think Japanese investor, I've got it here, I get the name right. SoftBank, to mention one, has decided to invest $10 billion on the Indian internet e-commerce space. And I said one Indian company called Snapdeal has already got $600 million US dollars in funding for that. I am making an assessment as a private citizen in 2014, before Digital India and Make in India come in 2015. I'm saying in India, if you want to expand, you've got 28 million followers. But even in a place like Gujarat, postgraduate education is in the local language. So please go into local languages. And I'm giving him, I'll just read out 4 lines from that. Newly elected Prime Minister Modi's focus to revive the Indian economy includes an audaciously ambitious plan to expand rural internet coverage to 250,000 villages by 2017 from the existing 130,000. If you read the whole thing, it's not coming clean. I'm glad Mr. Gandhi has given me an opportunity that I can say, Epstein files, Navika ji, is about wrongdoing. It is about those files which the FBI has in which there is evidence of wrongdoing. Some young girls were trafficked. The victims are now, people are suing those people for justice. Then there is another 3 million overall where other correspondence comes. Okay, I was there 8 years, from 2009 to 17. I've had 4 meetings in 8 years, 4 meetings. And the only substantive email is this, and the one after that, here where I'm saying, let me complete this. And after that, there's an exchange between Terry Rod Larson, who introduced me to him, and Epstein. Epstein, referring to me in 2015, says two-faced about me. And Terry Rod Larson says, if you meet an Indian and a snake, kill the Indian first. Here is my relationship. I have nothing to, I've come clean about. It's all an open. If you had asked me, did I wait? Yes, I allowed them to come a little, because I'll tell you, I met the young dynamic leader of opposition on 26th November on Samvidhan Divas. He came up to me, winked.
In Parliament?
In Parliament, Central Hall. He winked. First time I didn't know. I said, is he winking? Got something wrong with his eye? Then when he winked the second time, I said, yes. He said, your name is coming in interesting places. Your name is coming in interesting places. So I said, then he named this. I said, do you want me to send you a note to tell you exactly what I'm telling you?
So did you send him a note?
I sent him a note. But
why was this a private conversation or correspondence between you and the leader of opposition?
No, it's not a private.
Why should it not be in the public domain?
If somebody had asked me, I would ask him. He asked me that you something. It's not the only conversation. There is a journalist from a newspaper or a wire service or something who called me one day and said, ki ye hai. Maine kaha, haan, ye hai. They wrote a story perfectly all right. I was at the IPI, which had a project on the Independent Commission on Multilateralism. The Independent Commission on Multilateralism has been set up to see if the United Nations is fit for purpose on its 75th anniversary. Now, if somebody asks me for it, I can give you the, by the way, all this is on my website. If Mr. X or Mr. Y had looked at my website, the whole ICM thing is there. Now, come to another point. He asked me, I told him, I thought the story was over. What does he say in Parliament? He is doing intellectual hop-step jumping, and he says, who introduced Mr. Puri to so-and-so? And then that shrieking Jain aunt of mine, Supriya Srinath, whatever. And
Jane Aunt.
Srinath, no, name is Shrieking. Amit Malviya, the younger colleague, he called her Shrieking Jane. So I sometimes mix up the two names. Now, Pawan Khairan, who introduced? Arey bhai, I am saying who introduced, this clarification was provided to your leader when he asked for it. Now you can have it again. So what they do, I did a 50 minutes press conference yesterday. Enjoyed every minute of it. They took 10 seconds of one answer, took the clip out of context and put AI generated stuff on it. You know what happened as a result of that? You know what happened? A lot of people are making me. So our guys put out the other thing. There is a member of parliament, a lady, highly, sometimes she put out a tweet calling me using the word pimp. They're pimping for the Prime Minister. I work for the Prime Minister. I work for the Prime Minister as a minister. You want to use language like that? I only called her to ask her, have you read it? Because if you read this tweet, then I said, if you read it, all I say is, I'm disappointed. By the way, rest of the system is dealing with her. What will happen, where she goes, what happened. I have nothing to...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.